You know what? Follow me. Come to map. Wait. Oh, this is how long. Oh wow. Okay. Do you like want me to help you and unlock the other parts of the map?
Yeah, sure. Where should we even go?
Yeah, I am here. Look on the
Windrise?
map. Windrise. Yeah.
I need
Teleport.
to wait for a while
Teleport.
because
Teleport. Why?
um
Yeah. See you right over here. Yeah. Come heal. Heal me. Heal. Yeah. Heal.
okay, now all I need to do is switch over to
Wait.
Amber.
Give me a sec.
Oh
Give
wait.
me a sec. Give me a sec. Let me set up my party. My look is never good with Kaya. So let me just change
You
mine to
look ex
Zero.
Kaya. I ship that.
You too?
And then I also like when D-Look says, "Damn
Damn
you."
you!
Do you play in JP Dub,
I'm a fucking level 80 with my Zero. Nice.
which is you? Are you?
Die. What?
Do you play at JP Dub?
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
Wait, then what does? Ian Dub? Ian?
Oh wait, dubbings. Oh shit, yeah. I do have the Japanese dubbing installed, but it's just English dubbing at the moment. Like I didn't really change shit, and you know what's the worst part?
You're just going back and forth.
I don't know. I'm just trying to follow you.
Oh, you're just trying to follow me?
Yeah.
I thought you want to explore the map, so I thought you were going to be the leader.
Oh, okay. You want me to lead you? Okay, come behind me. Let's go. Hey, let me just set one in navigation. Yeah, that one right over there. Wait, is that? Oh shit, that is the Sub-Zero region. You know what? Fuck it. Let's go.
Wait, so the enemies will have the level of my AR or your AR?
This world is your world, okay? Like I can see that more than half of the map is like just locked. So like yeah, I'll just go and I don't know, just open it for you. You know what? Come follow me. These rocks are one on a one of a kind. Some bitches. Ah, stop being a bitch.
Where did
Stop being
you
a
went?
bitch. I'm right over here on the top. This is not a mountain.
Oh, cliff, I mean,
Yeah,
it's a chest.
nice.
Did I say it weird? Did it sound weird when I
No,
say it like that?
no, it didn't sound weird.
Martunga!
Lol. Okay, let me help you. Oh shit, they can't
I
do
got
shit
this.
to me. Just one kaboom, they're done. Hey, done.
Does
I
it
really
give...
need a Faruzan.
There's another one.
Yeah, you deal with it.
Correct. Wait,
Let's go
oh.
and unlock more bitches. Okay, so how do you climb this motherfucker? Wait, from here I suppose. Yeah,
Where'd you
I
go?
mean for your stamina, I guess climbing like this is the best. From here, from where I am, fly and climb. Look at where I am. Yes, bro. Keep climbing. Oh shit. Yeah. Go first. Yeah, nice. Let's go.
And you're still jealous of me for having a great four character set.
What do you mean? I mean, of course I'd be jealous. Oh wait, let's unlock this teleport waypoint. This is
Great
like
four.
always helpful. Just like always helpful. Wait, let me unlock and come for you.
You can unlock it for me.
I don't know. I don't know. I have never done this to anyone else's world before, so I guess. Wait, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. Ray, stop. Let me try doing this. If I can, then maybe I can unlock the others for you and unlock your map.
I
I
don't think you can.
cannot fucking do shit. Yeah, come over here. Yeah,
Give
it's
me
gonna
that.
come. Yeah, nice. Let's go. This is the sub-zero region, so we have to like try and be close to a fire area.
What do you mean be close to a fire? Is it super cold out here?
It's extremely cold, and if your something is just a level, I guess. So like if it gets high enough, your HP will start to deplete slowly, and if you're in water, it will keep depleting. This is not gonna do shit to you. You will die of cold.
Sheer cold details. Okay, that's an instant kill move.
雪の中つけなさい
Sheer cold. Oh damn. Wait.
I'm.
I
How
have
are you in the
another.
lake?
Why are you in the lake? You're going to faint.
I am not. I'm not in the lake. This is not a lake.
In the. Why are you in the water?
This is not a lake, bro. I have stopped over here for what do you call this teleport waypoint for you.
Why are you in the water?
I'm not in the water.
There's a level 30 enemy. How do I get past that?
You dodged that bitch. This is a sub-zero climb, bro. Do you need me to come back?
I didn't think that's what the barrels did. I'm at almost no HP now. My HP is gone almost. And I'm frozen.
Oh shit! Why are you battling bitches? I don't get it.
I didn't.
Like, you have to tackle bitches, right? Like you know what? I'm
I
coming.
burst
I'm
this.
coming.
I burst
I'm-
a frozen cold barrel, and the barrel ate a shit ton of my HP.
許さない
Oh shit! Wait, I'm coming. Where
I
you
need
at?
a heal now.
Yeah.
Do you
Nope.
have some food? I guess food.
No, I
No.
barely have any food because that's why I. What is this? Can I?
Wait,
Oh,
why the
frick.
fuck are you there?
Oh, okay,
What the
it's
fuck are
fine.
いい気分ね
Get to some fiery ass area, you dumb bitch.
Fire, 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 fire. Where's the fire? Oh, fuck!
There's fire, but there's bitches too. Do you need help?
Yes, where are you?
I'm right over here, over this rock. I can see you, but you can't see me.
I cannot.
Yeah!
Bruh.
What?
Where you at? Oh
Dark.
shit. That is not
Was
the
that a fire?
which you need. That's not the fire you need. Wait. I'm above you. Come over here. See, come here. Come follow me.
I'm just gonna do it because they're
Yeah.
coming.
I'm just gonna wait for your ass.
Just
to,
in
like,
case I
heal.
faint. Okay,
You
I
don't.
think that should be enough.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
行くわよ
You look as a pyro? Yeah, it can freeze it.
I mean, even though you are a pyro, you can set shit on fire. You cannot warm yourself. Lol. Oh
Where did
shit!
you go?
I'm right over here.
Oh, there you are. Dodge the
Yeah.
bitch. Dodge the bitches. Shit.
Let me see if I can climb this bridge. Oh, I can. Nice. I really need some fireplace right now. Warm yourself. Like, that's how it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep climbing higher and higher.
Where in the
Oh,
world even are you? What the?
I don't know.
Oh shit. Shit,
Come,
where are you?
I'm over here. Come here.
Shit.
Up.
I gotta freeze. Wait,
Oh,
kill them.
yeah,
Can you
you
kill?
warm yourself. I'm gonna deal with these bitches.
kill them.
Nothing for me.
Wait, level 30.
わしに手を
Wait,
出すつもりか
I'm actually fine. This battle is just gonna take forever. Can you like hit him once?
Yeah.
I don't know where he went.
Oh, okay. So, are you warm yet, or do you need to? I
think I'm about
I
warm
have
now.
set the fire for you.
Should we
Set
cook?
the fire
Let's
for you. One.
let's go.
Oh
I'm
my
super warm.
God.
Let's go. I'm super warm. And
Okay, let's go because we're gonna have to be cold for a while, I guess.
can you not make me go past that guarded chest?
I mean, I did go past it, right? So nothing happened to me.
Also can. I don't know. Do whatever you want. Where'd you go?
like you can what do you say that? Whatever. You have a chest for you, I suppose. Yeah, come unlock this chest.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, let's go up. So yeah,
Oh, wait.
there's this fire over here. Warm up a little bit.
Where
I
do you
guess.
go?
Here, behind you, behind you, behind
I
you.
just want this crystal. Scarlet quartz,
Yeah,
whatever.
that scarlet quartz will. You don't have that, by the way. You left it right over there. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not even sure if I can interact with NPCs. Like I've never tried that before.
Oh, shit.
You lost me again. Oh,
Shit.
there's this Sealy. There's this Pyro Sealy. Wow, nice. Which I don't know anymore. Wait, where the fuck is that? Oh,
Where in Mondstadt are you? Not Mondstadt, that's for sure. We're in a frozen cold place and I'm out of stamina almost.
oh shit.
I'm almost at the top.
Oh shit,
I'm
I
almost at the
am
top.
losing HP. I am losing HP. I need
Oh
to
frick,
be
it's
warmed
super
up.
cold.
Fuck up.
Zero, it's
Oh,
very
there it
cold.
is. Okay, I am warm over here. Now where the fuck are you? Why are you still down? Like, who does that?
Oh, it's super cold out here. Are you at the top of the cliff?
You can say that.
Cold,
Wait, why
super
are you
cold.
above me? Hey, come down, come down. Come. I
Wait.
am.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna
No.
die of fall damage. I'm gonna die of fall damage.
Shit. I'm trying to get near you. Oh wait, why
Oh
are you
shit, I'm
down
dying.
now?
I'm dying. I'm dying. Fire! Fire! That's not helping. I died.
ここまで
And I got an achievement.
Achievement for what?
Where are you? Are you warm?
I'm.
Fire, 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 fire!
Bro, you're gonna I don't know, alert your neighbors shouting fire like that.
Look at this. Succumb to sheer cold.
Succumb to oh, I remember that shit.
This is like the bored to death achievement, but you just froze to faints.
Yeah. Beach.
Shindra, darn it. Wait, don't tell me you climbed the cliff.
What cliff? I mean, I did climb something.
Oh, shh.
Oh, there you are. Wait, I can see a Noel. Wait, stop. Come back to the pole.
What pole?
Not pole exactly. There's a boss right over there.
Yeah, I could see that. Where's the fire? I'm
Come
just gonna
over
stay
here.
at this fire.
I'm jumping here for you. Wait, let me do this for you. Yeah. Oh shit! This nigga is hitting me. Oh my god. Oh my god. This
What
bitch
the-
is gonna kill me.
So I assume that
Okay,
you
I
have-
am warmed up, roasty and toasty. Let's go back.
I don't know where you are, but
I am here, right over here.
It's a good thing that I swapped to the claymore. Give me the chest.
Come over here.
心から嬉しく思いま
There's
す
fire right over here.
wait, where?
Here.
Where's that fire? Where in Mondstadt are you? Here?
I am right over here.
Do I click this? There you go, that's
No,
fire.
I mean, yeah.
Toasty.
I-
Now I'm just gonna
Toasty.
go activate that.
Chest.
I already took
Yeah,
that.
but then
I
again,
meant the teleport waypoint.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
like climbing a freaking. It's like
So yeah, what you need for that is a quartz, scarlet quartz.
uh. Oh, oh. Oh, I better think fast. Think fast. Think fast.
You need a scarlet quartz to
I have
get
hundreds
past
of.
that ice.
Okay, well not hundreds, but I have a few of them. How many do I need?
Not how many. Oh my god. Look up in the sky.
You
You see
mean
that red bitch?
Wasn't that what I was trying to climb?
I mean, yeah, like, do you see that in the middle of? There's gonna be 3 bitches in this room. Well,
Where did you?
let's go up. I am right over here. Lumine's not fast. You can follow her, right? Maybe not. Maybe I was wrong.
Think fast.
Okay,
The world's
how
gonna
do
get
we-
cold really fast.
How do we climb? Oh wait, oh shit.
Can I see that?
See whatever you want. Okay, see whatever you want. I'm just gonna go and see.
Okay,
a
this isn't
way.
working.
Oh wait, there's a way. Oh wow, I found a way. Nice. So I can just fly and then like get that bitch. You
That's
can
it.
get warm with that bitch also. Okay, come over here. Come over here. Where I
Good to
am.
hear. I trust this thing. Give me the. Give me.
Oh, you got it. I can see that.
Okay.
I
you
am
caught that
way
nice.
down below.
Wait.
Okay, I'm way down below. Come that to starting point.
No, I wanna see what there is to do here.
Hey, you will freeze, you son of a bitch.
What is that? An apple? Gay walk.
You wanna die? Come down.
No.
Warm yourself up.
I got it. I'm at the. Wait. What the Fafnir is that? Is this thing frostproof?
I'm telling you something. Why don't you get it? You need that red scarlet thing. Yes. You need that. You finally got it. Okay, fine. Yeah, you got that bitch. Now let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I need a worm.
Yeah. You.
Look at snooping around. I found another chest.
とても満足です
Will you follow me? You bitch.
I see a chest. I go to the chest and I open it and see what's in there. And also, candle gives me that. I need that. Candle.
I'm gonna take
This
the
is-
sunset here.
助けが必要な
Yeah.
方が
Hey, fuck that!
Go
Wake
near
up!
that.
up!
And
I'm gonna get
why
buried in the
isn't
snow.
it? Wait, do you use pyro? Wait, let me try again.
I don't have a
Use
pyro.
some pyro, bitch.
Oh,
you don't have
that
amber.
helps.
You don't have amber. It's fine. Come over here. Quick. We really need some pyro, bitch. Yeah, let's go. Bennett. Use the element. Yeah.
I can't burst. His burst is not active.
No, this is troublesome.
判決を
That
I
actually
got
kinda worked.
scarlet quads. Okay, I got the squads. Wait, let me try this again. Let me try this again. Beach. I did it. It needed a scarlet quads. Really quick. Okay, let's go. Come over here. Come right over here.
試合をしよ
That one am I
う
supposed
頼
to
んだわ
do?
よ
Oh, fine. Oh, what are you supposed to do? You do nothing. You just interact with that and then just, get that thing
I
off.
can't interact with it for some reason.
You can't.
What?
Is
Why?
it because I am here?
No, I don't believe that's why.
Son of a bitch. See, it's even keeping us warm, but it's not. Don't attack it. Okay.
Now I can interact with it.
Well, that's just sad because you cannot interact when the others are there in your world. Okay, so did you do it?
Well, there you go.
Well,
It's unlocked now.
Nice, I'm gonna come back again.
Just
I'm coming back. Let me join.
and now I kick you out
Oh.
immediately. I'm just kidding.
If you kick me out, I'm gonna fuck you.
I'm kidding. I'm not gonna kick you out.
Oh, let's go!
Now we can teleport back here. Not a good idea because this place is super dangerous.
So yeah, this is what region? I forgot. Is this Dragon Spine?
Oh,
That bitch
start a
respawned.
fire.
Okay, that bitch respawned and
Wait,
wait, I am
that didn't start a fire. It started wow, Neko-chan, really? An air current that we could have just used to glide up here.
Well,
and-
shit, I didn't know. Okay, it's been a long while since I've been to this. I know, this is surprising.
Yeah,
I mean, how could we not see this bitch?
I did notice that. I just didn't realize that by start it would start an air. Oh well, whatever. That's another way of getting past it, I suppose.
Lol. So much work for so less.
For absolutely nothing.
Yeah, for absolutely nothing, yeah. Yeah, it's been a long while since I've been to Dragon Spine to know this shit.
Well, I'm just gonna snoop around and yeah. Destroy the thing. Should you join it? What did it reveal?
Yeah, I teleported. Come where I am.
Go. Pyro. Good. Did it work? Did it work? Is it working? Oh, it works.
Oh, it works. Very good. Okay.
Think fast.
No. Teleport your ass.
I just stole from this person.
I am waiting for you. Like I do remember some people saying that. Kaboom.
Shit. Give me your app. Damn
What the
it.
fuck are you doing?
Nothing.
Hehe.
What do you
It hit the Notayo.
That is see. Look over there. That is Deluxe Wine.
I'm gonna destroy the
Oh,
wine
think you know this,
industry in
yeah.
this city
smell
if
this
it's
is
the
the
last
one.
thing
Tastes the
I
same as I
do.
Oh,
remember.
this is already unlocked. See, there is an Animoculus above there. You wanna go get that? On above Deluxe, I don't know what you call it, mansion, house, whatever.
Give me that.
Come follow me. It's like really hard to get that bitch. I'm still.
It's on this fire instead. That was easy.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's go. Let's go for that statue of 7.
Was that a chase? No, it's not.
It's
Oh,
not.
it is. It is.
Okay, fine. Go get a chest. I'm waiting. What?
まあまあかしら。
Wait, let me try this one, bitch. Wait.
組合会にはまだ仕事が残っているんだ。
Balloon.
Balloon.
I generated that bitch. Do you want me to make another one?
Yeah, make another one.
You did it.
What does?
Okay, another
What
one.
did these balloons do?
Oh, nothing. They're just for celebration, I suppose. There's,
Sweet.
there's one more thing I got. There's one more thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. This bit. I think it's elemental skill. Okay, yeah. This.
What is that?
I don't know. I forgot. I don't know what this is for.
Is that an event specific skill?
No, it's just. Oh, you have it. Oh, you do have it. What
That
else do
one.
I have? I have the camera.
I'm not
Oh,
sure
yeah,
what the
that's
skill
the-
does.
騎士団の奴らに相手を
Oh,
さ
this
せ
is
るべきだ
nothing.
な。
Oh, wait. I think I have it. I have more in my inventory. This is nothing. I can only equip 4, I guess. Wait. I got more. I don't need that. Oh, yeah, there's this. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's get out of here. Oh, there's this one Animoculus right over there. I don't know how you get to that.
I got this.
You got this? No,
No, I don't.
you don't.
And
No,
I
I
can
don't.
jump.
That just sounds so disappointing.
And I can't jump. What if I
But
just
just still a Creo character.
Oh, I need Kaya as well.
Oh shit, this is one big fish right over here.
Oh, fat.
許さない。
तुम like हो कहाँ पहले?
Okay, thanks.
ओ अच्छा वहाँ पे रास्पबेरी इनके पास
Do
कैसा है वो
something.
अंकल तो फिर क्या है स्ट्रॉबेरी
Definitely can't. Oh, I can.
एक सेकंड अरे यार like डब्बा वाला में मजा नहीं आता I guess so she's getting ice cream so like she just called me and asked like yeah which flavor you want bitch
Oh, okay.
yeah
I thought.
I like vanilla what's your favorite
I don't know.
you don't know what's that
Probably salted caramel.
oh lotus head wow I really need these
What? What is? Is that? Why can't I pick these up?
because I picked them up already I came I saw I conquered oh shit I just got an achievement
How did you get that?
Apparently because I have taken many things from your world.
Why would you do that? You know what? Doesn't matter. You missed, bitch. Now give me your
Oh,
ass.
oh, you're the,
I
oh,
got
you're
this.
fighting.
I got
You
this.
got this? I got it.
You
Let me
wouldn't know
join
how
you.
to use a bow if your mother taught you.
許さない
Wait, let me get rid of this bitch. She's an asshole.
もう逃げ
This is
道
how
は
you
ない
use
よ
a bow.
I'm taking divining
You
scroll.
wouldn't know how to use a bow if your mother taught you.
Die.
頼んだわよ
Hey, where's the last one?
Huh, goodness.
まあまあかしら
Oh, lol. Yeah, let's get going up.
Take everything from.
Hey, we are never gonna run after that shit, okay?
You wouldn't know how to use precipice blades if your mother taught you. And you missed twice. All that just for 12 EXP?
Huh?
What a
I know.
shame
I
on
might
them
be
for
my
wasting my time.
lol.
Now give me your ass. And give me your ass.
Julian chili. Oh my god, I really need these. Oh my. Okay. Bow with the bow. Nice. You have a chest by the way to open. Come and open.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Yeah.
Oh, you
but-
mean these bastards?
Hehe. I got rid of some bastards for you. Hehe.
Give me the meat.
Give
I
me the
took-
meat. There's one last meat. I got it.
Wait, you can actually
Okay, let's
steal
go.
that from me?
I stole it. We're gonna come over here. Because I'm a mother.
Because you need the primal gems?
Maybe. I mean, not maybe. That's true. Yeah, come over here. Get your
You
stuff.
know, I wish that we
Fuck,
were
I-
actually, managed to Genshin Impact like the world.
You're not gonna get it anything if you try it.
Well, wasting my time. Actually, wait, let me do something. Stand back!
No. Ah! Oh my god, I was gonna die. Oh, I didn't see it. I'm so glad that I pressed jump and got the wing ladder on time. Get a fucking chest, you asshole.
いいものばっ
Got it?
That's everything.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. You see that? You see that when you fly, you can see one red laser beam over there. You have to go get there and I don't know, touch that thing. I guess. I'll get off
Wait,
your world
I see
again.
there's a thing right there. Can I see that?
Maybe.
Never mind then. What did you get?
Oh wait, this is the special one. What? Yes, investigate.
Investigate. Give me. I need that. Oh, it's there.
Yeah, it's right over there. Yeah, that gives a lot of mora. I'm getting only one of those.
Oh, you little. Investigate.
Okay.
Is
Anyway,
it
never
gone?
mind. Let's go.
Oh, it gave me
No,
500
yeah,
mora.
that's
Wait, I already
oh,
have a
I got
one.
again. Even I got 500 mora. Very nice. Okay, now follow me to that red laser bridge. I guess. Yeah. Oh wait, there's another. Hey, you have a chest to unlock.
Give me that. Give me the meat.
Oh, you have to shoot those three. Oh shit! Oh my god!
I got this.
Fight.
裁きを受けよ
Okay, well, I guess that works too. Got this. Or not.
Okay, another slang connection. Very nice.
目標発見
Oh shit, my mom's probably here. I'm not gonna speak. Yeah, you shoot that bitch. Oh, you lost this. Oh, you didn't lose this. I'm gonna take it from you.
偵察基地目標発見
Where did you go?
行くよ 行くわよ。お前、岩元素の力を感じたのか？体内の元素形態を変えるなんて、やはりお前は神の目の使用者と違うんだな。モンドにいた時と同じで七天神像に祈願すると返答がもらえるみたいだ。ふむ、ここはリーエだもんな。眼神に統治された国だから心臓の形も違うぞ。また風元素を使いたくなったらモンドの七天神像に行くといいぞ。お前にやろう。俺、先輩への感謝の一言は？まあまあかしら。
たまにはのんびりするのも悪くないな。
これも運命なの？お前にやろう。俺、先輩への感謝の一言は？まあまあかしら。諦めクーレ、どうなるか分かっているな。